Dear friends, welcome to Tech Nursery. In this video, I am going to explain an important concept in JavaScript. First, let me write some lines of code. Function print channel name console.log Tech Nursery. I wrote a function definition here. Function is a JavaScript keyword. Then function name, print channel name. I used a camel case format. Function parenthesis, curly braces. Then I have a console object and I call log method on this console object. I passed my channel name as a string within double quotes, starting double quotes, ending double quotes. So this is a function definition. I used a function keyword, then function name, opening and closing parenthesis, then curly braces, then console object. I call log method on console object. I passed Tech Nursery as string to this log method. This is function definition. So now I'm going to write a line of code. Let me type print channel name dot subscribers is equal to 1000. What do you think? Is it possible in JavaScript? Do you see this kind of code in JavaScript before? I used function name and dot operator, give a property name subscribers and assigned a value, property and a value, or key and a value on this print channel name. Actually, print channel name is a function, but I used dot operator, then a key or a property and a value also I have already assigned to this property. Let us check whether is it possible in JavaScript. Let me run the command node study.js. Look here, check on my terminal, there is no error. If we go through from the beginning, I declared a function and using the function name, using the dot operator in JavaScript, I assigned a property with value 1000. Now let us console the value again. Console.log print channel name dot subscribers. Just place semicolon also. Now let me clear the terminal. Let me run the command again. Check here 1000. It works as an object because print channel name is a function, we know already it, but it works as an object. We use dot operator normally on objects, right? In order to create new property or new key value pairs. Here I used a print channel name, even though it is function, I used a dot operator and I gave a new property to this print channel name, subscribers, and I assigned value also 1000. And using this log method, I printed it on the terminal 1000. Like normal object name dot property. It will print the value. Here I used a function name dot my property subscribers. It acts as an object. What happens here? This is an interesting concept in JavaScript. In order to understand this, let me open my notepad file. This is the concept behind this behavior. All functions in JavaScript are objects. You understand that? All functions. If you write any function which is legal in JavaScript engine, then that functions are objects. All the functions in JavaScript are objects. And everything in JavaScript are objects except primitive types. Here I am telling not only functions. If you write classes, if you write constructed functions, anything other than primitive types. Now I will explain what are the primitive types. It can be a string, number, bigint, boolean, undefined, symbol, and null. These are the primitive types in JavaScript. So these primitive values and primitive data types can be any one of these: string, number, bigint, boolean, undefined, symbol, and null. Everything in JavaScript other than these primitive types are objects. Our functions are objects. Our classes are objects. Our construction functions are objects. Everything in JavaScript other than primitive types are objects. That's why we can use this line of code in JavaScript. JavaScript engine treat this as a legal one without any error, because JavaScript engine is designed in a way that treat a function as an object. So we can use dot operator on this function name, and we can add a new properties to this function, because functions are objects. We can add properties to the objects normally. So we can add properties to the function. Here I can add print channel name dot views 1 lakh. We can add any number of properties to the objects. In the same way, we can add any number of properties to the function. Here we can call console.log. Instead of subscribers, I can call views. Let me save. Let me run now. Check here. Our views are shown on the terminal. So you have to understand these concepts in depth. What happens under the hood on JavaScript engine? All functions in JavaScript are objects. If we can add properties to the object in JavaScript, we can also add properties to the function, because all functions in JavaScript are objects. Our print channel name, even though it seems like a function, under the hood it is an object. I will show one more thing. Let me call console.log print channel name directly. Let me passed my channel name itself to this log method. Now let us comment these lines. Let me clear. Let me run the file again. Check here, function print channel name, but it's a format of an object. Check here, curly braces, subscribers 1000, views 1 lakh. That's why I'm telling all the functions in JavaScript are objects. Please remember, when you are developing a project in JavaScript or any libraries or any frameworks based on JavaScript, you have to understand this concept. This is an advanced concept in JavaScript. If you understand this concept, it will help you in your development life. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you.